who do we have here? Jafar at Disneyland on Sunday afternoon. That is amazing. Look at Jafar. Wow, I never see him so close like that during the daylight. Whoa. Okay, let's see who else is here. And over there, there's a Queen of Heart. Let's go that way, I can film her. Queen of Heart! And Goofy is in the corner, wearing his costume. Wow. Very rare you see them on the daylight. That's very cool. We are going to Plaza and fried chicken. Fried chicken. Wow, there's a lot of people in the park. But when we walk in here, there's like nobody in the line to get in here.
Can I get some chicken? Can I get salmon?
Can I get dark meat?
Okay. Sorry?
Dark meat?
You want gravy with your mashed potatoes?
Yes.
Oh, okay. No, I'll just get salmon, yeah.
You want rice or mashed potatoes?
Rice, please.
And salsa?
No, thank you. Okay.
Cool. Thank you. We're ready to eat. Uncle Dong and I, we're gonna cheer with our free ice water. I always recommend you get a free water at a restaurant so you save like $3 or $4 for bottled water. And look at this Halloween cake with 2 ice. The monster cake, chocolate cake, very, very yummy. I had it last week. So Uncle Don ordered the white meat, so you see the big pieces in there. Now let's look at mine. I ordered the dark meat and much more smaller pieces. What's going on? That's not cool. So I really love Plaza in fried chicken. The crispy skin, juicy meat. Can be a little salty sometimes, but overall this is the best chicken in Disneyland and DCA, even outside the restaurant. This is the restaurant I'm always craving. I want to get some. So if you want to eat in Disney, I would definitely recommend you check out the Plaza Inn. I think the chicken dinner meal is about $19, which is not bad for Disney. You get 3 pieces. This is so good. I can eat this every single day. But let's not overeat because this is very fattening too. Oh my God, I just love this. Look at me. Keep on eating. So the biscuit is actually very soft. You can see that. And I like savory rather than sweet with the biscuit. So I put the mashed potato and gravy on top of the biscuit. And let me show you guys. Oh my God, let's eat this. This is so yummy. And now let's have some veggie. The veggie usually has really no flavor. You definitely need to put salt in there. But I think if you eat the veggie and the chicken together, give it kind of nice balance. Now let's get more biscuit. Oh my God, I'm supposed to be on diet before I go to Paris. This is bad. Very, very bad. Okay, just want to show you guys the dinner we have. So this is your first time on this boat ride? It's your first time on the Storybook?
No, I've been on it before.
Oh, okay. It's very scary.
Does it go fast?
Yeah, super fast.
Welcome aboard. My name is Karina. I'll be your captain and storyteller today. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And please supervise your children. We wouldn't want our stories to take any unexpected turns. Now, many find themselves traveling to enchanted worlds in the pages of a book. But those who visit in person can find the journey there to be quite magical, or sometimes even a bit menacing. Though it looks like we're traveling through the jaws of Monstro the whale, we are actually being transported into Storybook land. And right across the way we have the homes of the three little pigs. One made out of straw, one made out of sticks, and another one made out of guaranteed wolf-proof bricks.
There's the bricks.
But then our story takes a turn, for just around this corner to our left, we will stumble upon the quaint English village that is home to Alice. Where one golden afternoon she decided to follow the white rabbit, and she fell on our right is London Park, where Peter Pan and the darling siblings first took flight. With the help of Tinkerbell, they found themselves in Neverland, where they would never ever have to grow up.
You know who that is.
Up ahead is the city of Agrabah, where Shira Aladdin first bumped into Princess Jasmine. Not only did Aladdin steal a loaf of bread, but he also stole Princess Jasmine's heart. The golden arches just above us remind us that love is always blossoming. These are the same arches that Aladdin and Jasmine flew over, sideways, and under on their magic carpet ride to a whole new world.
Where are we going now?
Though these stories are often filled with love and light, some stories have their dark places. Places of mystery like the Cave of Wonders up ahead. Let's go ahead and make a wish and see what happens.
What?
This cozy cottage to our right is the home of the 7 dwarves. If you look closely, you might see their minds, or you even might hear them whistle while they work.
Can you hear them?
On our left is the story of Cinderella. She wished to go to the ball, but unfortunately she didn't make it home on time and her coach turned into a pumpkin. But don't worry, she now lives her happily ever after in the castle on top of the hill. Dreams do come true, and like wishes, they inspire our stories here today. On our left, we have the hills of the quilted flowers, inspired by the 1933 Silly Symphony cartoon, Lullaby Land. And thanks to the enchantment of Tinkerbell, all of our plants here in Storybook Land will remain miniature forever, where they too will never have to grow. Just up ahead is the stately manor from The Wind in the Willows, home to J. Thaddeus Toad. But sorry folks, Mr. Toad is not home right now, as he is off on a wild ride to nowhere in particular. Beneath the frozen mountains is the city of Arendelle. Although Elsa fled to her ice palace above the fjord, her sister Anna just couldn't let her go. And in this alpine village to our right, where Geppetto wished upon a star for his puppet to become a real boy. Thanks to the Blue Fairy, she was granted that wish with no strings attached.
I think I see a ship up there. Behind you, there's a ship.
Just past this tunnel on our right is Prince Eric's castle, where Ariel decided to give up her life under the sea and become a part of our world. And on our left is Ariel's hometown of Atlanta, which reminds us all that we can have our very own happily ever after. As our story comes to an end and we approach the dock, I would like to remind you all to please keep your hands, arms.
Alright, so it's time to go home now. Thank you so much for watching. I think this is the last time I'm gonna be in Disneyland before I leave for Paris. But you never know. I may stop by here before I leave. Okay, have a good night everyone.